Let's proceed with 2.6 Hypothesis Development. Introduction to Hypothesis Development. Hypothesis development is a crucial step in the research process, particularly in empirical studies. It involves formulating testable statements or predictions about the relationship between variables. Hypotheses serve as the foundation for research design, data collection, and analysis. Next is explanation of the importance of hypotheses in research. Hypotheses provide focus and direction to research efforts, guiding researchers in their investigation. They help clarify the specific aims and objectives of the study, ensuring that research remains purposeful and structured. Hypotheses enable researchers to make predictions and test theories, contributing to the advancement of knowledge in their respective fields. It's important to formulate hypotheses based on the theoretical framework and literature review. Present the research hypotheses, explain their justification based on the existing literature, and outline the formulation of a null and alternative hypothesis for hypothesis testing. Clearly state the expected relationships or outcomes the research aims to test. First, presentation of research hypothesis. Second, justification of each hypothesis based on literature. Explain how the findings from relevant literature support this hypothesis. Third is formulation of null and alternative hypothesis. Null hypothesis is HO and typically representing no effect or relationship, while alternative hypothesis is in H1 and it represents the researcher's expectation or prediction. Now, let's dive into research framework. There are two steps to build research framework. First, you have to define the variables and constructs involved in the research. These include identification and explanation of key variables and relationships between variables. Second step is to develop the conceptual or theoretical framework. It consists of visual representation of the conceptual framework or presentation of the theoretical framework integrating the chosen theory with the research topic, visual representation of the theoretical model or framework, discussion of the contributions of the chosen theory to the field of study, and the last one is explanation of how the study extends or builds upon the existing theoretical knowledge. 2.8 Chapter Summary. You can recap the main points covered in the chapter and emphasize how the literature reviews sets the stage for the subsequent research. We have reached the end of our slides. Thank you all for listening. I hope you all have a great day.